What's up guys, welcome back to another Cubtastic video. Today we'll be looking at an unboxing of the GAN Pyraminx. I'm really excited for this Pyraminx because my Bellway to strip, so that's kinda sad, but yeah, I'm really excited. I hope you guys are too, and let's just get straight into it. I don't know why I'm talking. Roll the intro please. So we just have it opened up now. We got a business card like usual. We got the Pyraminx itself. We got a red cube bag, which is really nice. I haven't gotten one of these in a while. And we also got the bell, which nobody's gonna care about, so we're just gonna throw it away. And here's the Pyraminx. The box is really nice. It kind of resembles an Apple box, which of course, I talked about this in our podcast, which is linked in the description if you want to check it out. So, yeah, the box itself is really nice. Opens exactly like an Apple box. Let's just open it up. We got the Pyraminx here. We got some literature underneath. We got, I don't know, I think it's this is the GS system tutorial, but we don't get any of those in the standard model. We got the tutorial pamphlet. What does this say? Oh, I don't know, that's kind of disappointing because GAN usually gives out pamphlets full of CFOP tutorial stuff with all the algorithms, and now they're just showing all the moves. I'm not sure if it teaches any new. Oh yeah, it teaches beginner method. Kind of disappointing, but I'm not gonna blame. So here's the Pyraminx. Let's just open it up. Of course, we got tons of packaging. It's just classic GAN, GAN just overdoes the packaging a lot because you're paying a lot of money. I think it was $18 this one, but for that much money, I'm not getting anything inside the box, which is very disappointing. Yeah, the first thing I can say is this puzzle is light. Wow, okay. This is weird. Is this corner cutting? Oh my god. That's crazy. This is super light. That's the first thing I can say, and it's also super it's much more smoother than the Bell V2, which is crazy. Let's just do a solve. What am I even doing? Okay, let's see. I can see one solve. I'm just gonna do it. Okay, so yeah. This Pyraminx is really different, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think there are magnets in the edges and like the edge to center magnets like pretty much every other Pyraminx. I heard there's like the core to edge magnet system, which is, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm trying to show you guys. This piece, I don't know why is this so tight. I don't even know, it's very tight. It's very, very tight. Let me just oh yeah, there we go. The magnets are kind of visible. So there's a magnet in the stock or the bottom part of the edge, and there's a magnet like in the core. So both of them of course attract each other, and then that's how you get the magnetic field. It's kind of different. There is no resistance between the pieces, but it's very strange. It's like the cube itself is connected from the core, which is, I know it doesn't make sense, but once you actually use this, you'll kind of understand. But it's really, really unstable. It's extremely unstable though. Wait, let me just arrange everything. It looks like a big mess behind. Like this package actually arrived when I had online classes, which is funny, and then luckily they got over. Yeah, this is really fast though. It's probably the fastest Pyraminx I've tried so far. Where's my Bell V2? That thing stripped recently. That's one of the reasons I got this one. It's kind of sad that it was an amazing Pyraminx. I still prefer that one over this one, just because that's more stable. This one's not, but it's let down by the fact it's not really durable. So Yeah, this one's an amazing replacement though. I want to get the enhanced version soon. Maybe not this year because yeah, I'm broke now. And I don't think I'll be able to get any Pyraminxes or any cubes in general. I don't think I'll be able to cube for a while because I've got exams, which is, I know it's dumb, but hopefully college is more fun. Yeah, I'm just solving this one. And, I'm not gonna lie, GAN did an amazing job for their first shot at Pyraminx. I can see why people would main this. It's very light. It's pretty fast. I think being fast is one of the good things for me because I can actually execute algorithms fast on this one. And my biggest problem with the Bell V2 was corner cutting, but this one kind of seems to have solved that. I mean, it's not like the corner cutting is better, but I can get better flows on this because it's faster. I don't need to like exert too much force. That one had pretty strong magnets in terms of compared to the Moe Magnetic. This one does not. Like, it feels basically like the Moe Magnetic. So I don't need to put that much force into every turn, so it generally just snaps into place. So I don't really need corner cutting, so I can get full flow on this one. So that's it for today's Pyraminx unboxing, you guys. Thanks for watching. I don't think I'll be able to upload a lot. Yeah, and also today's Eminem's birthday, at least the time of recording. So yeah, go wish him a happy birthday in the comments down below, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, stay safe.